In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mention pages in Notion. Page mentions help you quickly link related pages together for easier navigation and organization. Think of them as smart, inline links that connect your notes, tasks, and docs without breaking your writing flow. First, open the page where you want to add a page mention. This can be any workspace page, a meeting note, a project plan, or a personal dashboard. Once you're there, click inside the content area so your cursor is exactly where you want the link to appear. Setting your cursor first ensures the mention lands in the right sentence or paragraph. Now type the @ symbol, followed by the name of the page you want to link. As soon as you type @sa, Notion will show a drop-down with suggestions. Keep typing the page name to narrow the list. If you have pages with similar names, look closely at the icons and breadcrumbs in the drop-down to identify the right one. You can also correct typos on the spot to refine the search results before you make your selection. When you see the correct page in the drop-down, select it. The moment you do, Notion turns your text into a linked page mention. If two results look almost the same, choose the one that matches the workspace section you expect. The small icon or path is your clue that you're linking to the intended destination. Take a second to review the linked page mention inside your text. It should display the page's title with a subtle link style and often the page icon. This quick check helps you confirm you picked the right page and that the mention sits naturally within your sentence. If the surrounding wording feels awkward, adjust the sentence around the mention so it reads smoothly. Anytime you need to jump to that content, click the page mention to open the linked page directly. It's an instant way to navigate without breaking context, and you can use your back navigation or breadcrumbs to return to where you were. You can add multiple page mentions to connect related content across your workspace. Place them near the points they support. Keep your page titles consistent so they're easy to find in the drop-down, and use concise naming to avoid confusion. The great part is, if a page title changes later, the mention stays linked, keeping your system tidy and dependable. That's all you need to create fast, reliable page mentions that make your Notion workspace feel truly connected.